Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Lachelle Trends. So today I'm coming to you with a tutorial on how to do these Bohemian passion twists. I received this hair from a company on Amazon.com called Xtrend. I did receive 6 packs of hair, and I will share all of the details about the hair and where you can purchase it at in the description box below. As well, I will give all of the details about the other items that I used as well. But before we jump into the video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the hair came in this Ziploc bag, and inside of the Ziploc bag was 6 packs of hair, and it looks like this. Inside of each pack were 15 pieces of crochet hair, and as you can see, it is ombre all the way down to the bottom. The color that I received was T27613, and as you can see, this is my braid pattern that I will be using, and I already have put some twist in. This was 1 pack of the twist, and now we're just going to begin putting some more twist in, and this will be my 2nd pack of hair. Using this brown hairspray I bought from my local beauty supply store, I'm just going to spray it at my roots just to make it blend in better. I'm going to take some Freetress hair that I bought at my local beauty supply store. This is in the style Water Wave 22 inches and in the color T27613, and this is just to make my hair look a little bit more bohemian. So y'all, I'm just going to add some mousse to this hair because after I separated it, it did get a little frizzy. But once you add some mousse to it, it's as good as new, and it pops them curls right back into place. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.